Welcome back to another wonderful property tour, Rankin family. Today, we are back again in Nashville, Tennessee, taking a look at another gorgeous luxury home. And I want to give a huge thank you to the listing agent, Megan Garrett, for making the tour possible. As always, I'll leave all of the information in the description below. Now, starting on the outside, family, look at the abundance of windows. Wait till we get inside, you'll see the incredible view. Now, you are going to have the stucco along with the stone veneer exterior. You have over 800 square feet of private balcony. So we'll see that a little bit later on as well. Then you will notice the modern look. Absolutely exquisite. It is a new construction and you'll see that once we enter. Now it is elevated, as you can see. And then you have this generous size covered front porch. You notice that you have the wood soffit and then of course the double front doors with the glass panes. Incredible. So you can hang out here, relax, and enjoy yourself with your family, and you are certainly good to go. Last but certainly not least, you do have the modern outdoor wall lights. But let's go ahead and get you inside, family. Okay. So technically this is the lower level, and you'll see that as we continue. Now, look at the cozy entry. Right when you walk in, huge foyer. You got the down lighting, then you see the French doors leading you to that room. We'll see that in just a moment. I'll show you the front doors from the inside. Incredible. Now you are gonna have the wide plank white oak floors throughout the property. You'll see that. And then look at this room. Outstanding. Now on the floor plan, they have this as the exercise room. But if you wanted to use this as a formal living, you can do that. You do have a study across the hall, so we'll see that in just a moment. You have plenty of windows, 12-foot ceilings, built-in speakers, and look at the incredible view that you get. Outstanding. So let me know in the comments what you would use this room as. Like I always say, the possibilities are certainly endless. Got a nice storage closet here. And I love the fact that you have the privacy glass here. So extremely versatile. Now we'll continue across the foyer. Right here, you have a huge walk-in closet. Look at this. A ton of storage that you get. Now, also, I should mention, you have a pocket door separating this too, so you can really have that discreet look. Straight ahead, you do have your designated study. Look at the size. Modern light fixture there, your built-ins. Lovely. You see the sconces, all the shelving that you need so you can store your book collection or have the amount of decor that you need. Okay, so now heading to the full bath here. So you are gonna have that terrazzo look shower surround. Look at the size of this, walk-in shower, matte black rain shower head there. And of course you got your shower niche. Now you have the flat panel cabinet fronts, matte black sconces, as well as your mirror frame. So that nice modern look. Now again, I did say on the floor plan, that was the exercise room. So straight ahead, you have an unfinished basement area, spray foam insulation. So if you wanted to use that other room that we had seen as a formal living, you can certainly finish this out and possibly make this the gym. So let me know if you are on board. Last but certainly not least, let's take a look at this closet here, and then we'll head upwards. Got your coat closet. Wonderful. Now, heading up the stairs, the beautiful sconces here, setting the tone for what you're about to experience. And then of course the iron railing. Okay, so now here we go. Look at this impressive kitchen. And then of course your open concept dining area. Let's start right here first and tackle this together. So you are gonna have the custom shaker style cabinets. You see the paneled refrigerator and the dishwasher. You have the French doors there. And then right here for your vent hood, look at that beautiful fluted design. So you have Fisher and Paykel appliances, some of the best that money can buy. Let's open this up for you. Plenty of space. You have your freezer drawer right underneath, two-tone cabinets, and then a generous size island. All soft close. Now, at the time of this recording, the home is listed for just under $2 million. And so far, I can certainly see why. Now you have the oversized pendant lights hanging down, floating shelves. The great thing is they did add the sink overlooking the rolling hills. Great positioning, perfect to take advantage. Now, of course, let's open up the dishwasher here. You got the pop-up outlets. You got your trash drawer on this side. Incredible. Before I turn you around to the left, we'll go ahead and take a look at the prep kitchen. You got your second refrigerator, leathered counters. You got your built-in microwave. And then, of course, the pocket door. Outstanding. Now, as we continue right around here, you're going to have your powder bath. So I'll show you this first. Beautiful light fixture there. Really complements the cabinetry and the counters. And then right around here, you got your mudroom coming in from your two-car garage. Perfect. So as you enter, coming in from a long day at work, this is what you're greeted to. So you got wall-to-wall cabinets, plenty of space for a decent sized washer and dryer. You got your sink over there. And look at this. Plenty of storage. So please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Really love going through that. So I asked you a couple of times, at least in the video, and that way I get your input. Okay, so again, over 800 square feet of private balcony. So we'll see it right now first and work our way around. Look at the incredible views. Wow. What more could you really ask for, right? Lovely. And the good thing is this is a dead end. So really just you and your neighbors, not a lot of heavy traffic coming in and out. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so you do have the 12-foot ceilings again. You see the built-in speakers. We'll continue this way to the great room. And like I mentioned too, you have the screened-in porch. So you have the double sliding doors. You can head right out there and entertain as well. Floor to ceiling fireplace there. You see the herringbone pattern in your firebox. So really just a sleek design and extremely modern. Incredible. So let's get you right out here. So the speakers extend this way too. You're on a third of an acre. So you definitely have plenty of room. And look at that. Got the wood soffit, the screen doors. You can just head right out there and greet your guests. Okay, so on this level, you are going to have your primary suite. So we'll see that right now and work our way around. Lovely. So soaring ceilings here. You see the tray with cove lighting. Then you are going to have the modern light fixture. You have a king size bed, your 2 nightstands. You have your sliding door here, so you can access that balcony through this bedroom. And look how open it is. The atmosphere in here is incredible. Wonderful job on the staging. Great layout. Love to see a new construction property that was well thought out. Now, heading to the ensuite, look at that. Your favorite, the freestanding tub, your walk-in shower, and look at this. So you are gonna have marble counters, the LED mirror, under cabinet lighting, flat panel custom cabinetry, and some champagne bronze. Good thing is they did include the shower bench, family. Good to see that. Got your shower niche there. And the shower wand and rain shower head. You got your water closet right over here to the left. And let's see the closet here. So you got your built-in drawers here. You see the brass, all soft closing, plenty of space, and then you got the double doors leading in here. So pretty spacious. Really love the way the champagne bronze complements the marble. Love to see that. And then of course, you have a storage closet. So you can use this as the second closet there. Go ahead and add your rods and your shelving, and then you have his and hers closets if you prefer. Okay, looks like we about covered this level here, family. Let's go ahead and get you up here. Now, straight ahead, you do have a bonus room. I'm going to show you that first, and then we'll take a look at the bedrooms right up there. Now, you have the stair lighting. Of course, you do have the white oak floors, and look at this. Incredible. Each room has done a fantastic job of taking advantage of the incredible views. Now, perfect for hosting and entertaining. If you did want to add possibly down the road a wet bar, I can certainly see that. Add some more to entertaining. Get your HVAC here. And let me stand on this side to show you the full scope. Perfect. So a lot is going on here, and I'm loving to see it. So it's very simple, but still really practical. And of course, let me know in the comments if you agree. Now, your additional bedrooms are right over here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the right side and work our way around. Okay, so you have 9-foot ceilings here, but the room is perfect. The queen bed, the 2 nightstands, the dresser, even though I understand you know what the bedroom set is, I just always have to say that. Got a roomy walk-in closet too. Now here, they added the Taj Mahal quartzite, the fan favorite. Does a really great job of complementing that brass concept there. And let's see the walk-in shower. And look how seamless that is when it extends from the bathroom floor to the shower. Love to see that. And then those huge windows too for incredible views. Now, Straight ahead, next bedroom. This one has some soaring ceilings. It looks like 13-foot ceilings. Sometimes you can't see it on the video, but let me pan you upwards. Yeah, the video doesn't do it justice, but massive ceilings here. Now you are gonna have the shower tub combo. You got the marble counters, beautiful pendant lights. Really great choice. And then you have 2 wall closets here. So even though it's not a walk-in closet, you still have plenty of space for a wardrobe. Beautiful iron railings. And then this is your final bedroom. Soaring ceilings again here. Got that white ceiling fan. Walk-in closet here. And let's take a look at the ensuite. And the tub shower combo. Amazing. So again, it looks like we about covered the entire first level and second level family. And like I said, with the screened in porch, with the private balconies, really perfect. And then what I want to go ahead and do is I'll get you out here so that way you can see the back of the property, and then everything will come full circle for you. So remember, you have the long driveway in the front. Back here, you have a private access to get to, of course, your garage. And look at the abundance of mature trees here, family. Outstanding. But other than that, family, that was another beautiful luxury home tour. All right, Rankin family, that was it for this beautiful luxury home right here in Nashville, Tennessee. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this beautiful property. Is this something you could see yourself living in? Would you make any changes? If so, let me know in the comments below. If you want more information about this home or any home we showcase, reach out to the information in the description. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss a tour every single week. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.